how to use payroll in Excel. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can use payroll in Excel. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is set up your data in Excel. Over here, create two sections. The first section will include columns for employee name, pay per hour, total hours worked, overtime hours, and pay for overtime. The second section will include columns for gross pay, income tax, other deductions, and net pay. After that, calculate the gross pay. Over here, use this formula equal sign pay per hour asterisk total hours work plus overtime hours asterisk pay for overtime. Then drag the formula down to apply it to all rows. Next, calculate the income tax. Over here, use the formula equal sign gross pay asterisk tax percentage. Then drag the formula down for the remaining cells. After that, enter the other deductions manually or based on your organization's policy. Then calculate the net pay. Over here, use the formula equal sign gross pay income tax other deductions. Drag this formula down as well. Finally, make the data presentable by adding a currency symbol. So that's how you can use payroll in Excel. That's all for this video.